Okay, so this will be your training video on how to market for landlords through Craigslist. Basically, what you're going to be doing is taking information from Craigslist and converting it into an Excel spreadsheet and then uploading it into another program for mail merge purposes. So the first thing you're going to do is open your Excel spreadsheet, and I have one kind of already made up here with the basic information that you're going to need, which is first name if it's available, last name if it's available, or the posting ID if it's not, the phone number, and then the email. If an ad doesn't have an email, if they have it blocked or something, then just skip it. And then you're also going to need the Craigslist link as well as the ad title. So now that we got that up, we can go back into our directions here. And then the next thing is to open up Craigslist and search USA, Wisconsin, and then Madison. And we'll go through the apartments and housing, what to enter in the search bar, how to search by newest, and then also the information that you're going to gather. So let's go ahead and go into Craigslist, and we're going to scroll down to Wisconsin, which is down here on the bottom right. Click on Madison, and then we want to search in the apartments housing section. And then we want to search by minus apartment, comma, minus professional, comma, minus condo, comma, minus management, comma, minus realty. And then go ahead and hit search. You can see it narrowed the results down quite a bit. And then we want to organize these by the newest. So we only want to deal with the blue links. You can see down here some are purple. That means I've already opened them and already processed them, so we don't want those. So let's start here. We'll go with monthly rentals. This one we're going to skip because it doesn't look like it's really relevant to what we're looking for. So we'll just go ahead and hit next. This person is looking for an apartment, so it's not a house for rent. Okay, here we go. So this is 1400 in Beaver Dam. So now we got to figure out what information to extract from this ad. So one of the first things we're going to need is this link up here, so we'll copy that. We'll go ahead and throw that in the Craigslist link in here. And then we can also grab the ad title, which is going to be this. Copy that. We'll paste that in there. And then this button right here is helpful because you can click on match destination formatting, so it'll keep it the same size. And then we just need to get this little bit of extra information here. So to find that, we can click reply and see his name is Mike. So we'll copy that. So first name is Mike. And then the last name or posting ID. So he didn't have a last name, so the posting ID is all the way down here at the bottom. And this is very important, so we'll copy that. And we'll go ahead and paste that in there. And let's see, did he have a phone number? I don't think he did. Here it is. So you can kind of search around and find the phone numbers. So we'll copy that, paste that in there, and then then the email, which is the most important part. So hopefully this one has an email because we'll copy that and paste it in there. So there you go. That's all the information that you need to get, and that's how you're going to gather it. Once you have all of this, you're going to save this file as a CSV. So save as, and I just call it Craigslist ad rentals number 1, and this is where I'm keeping it. And then it's very important to make sure that you have the comma separated values because that's the only way you can export the information. So go ahead and hit save there. We can replace it, that's fine because I already obviously had this made. And it's going to ask you to continue, and that's it for finding the Craigslist ads and the information that you need from there. The next section of this video will be uploading to REIBB Black Book. So basically we're going to take the information that we gathered up here in the Excel sheet from Craigslist and we're going to upload it into REIBB Black Book. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to go into REIBB Black Book and go to Tools, Client Genie, and then we're going to go to Contacts, and then we'll scroll down to the bottom here and where it says Import Data, click that, And then we're going to click Import Contacts. And then we're going to assign contacts the following category, Craigslist Marketing. And then we're going to assign the following flag to the contacts. So we're going to click this new button and we're going to type in today's date, 2015, and click Save. And then we want to check this box right here that says Enable Import of Categories, Source, and Flags. And then we're going to choose our file. So our file is going to be this Excel sheet here, Craigslist Ad Rentals 1. And we'll go ahead and hit Next. And then we want to assign all of these merged categories. So we already have first name in there. Now we got last name, and that's okay if the last name is the number. Phone number, we'll just go ahead and do home phone. Email. And then the Craigslist link and the ad title are going to be all the way down at the bottom here in the customs. So we'll select all those. We'll hit Run Import. Congratulations, your data was successfully imported. 5 contacts came in, and it didn't skip any for duplicates. So basically what the duplicates is if one of these numbers right here is the same, when this list gets bigger and bigger, if you had the same number in there, it'll automatically delete that contact when you try to upload it in REIBB Black Book, because we don't want to send any duplicates. So it just automatically gets rid of duplicates, and all that would mean is that somebody posted another ad in there, or you accidentally clicked on the same ad twice. So that's really helpful. So we ran import, we got all the information in there. Now the next step is going to be sending out an email to the new contacts. So to do that, we're going to go back into REIBB Black Book, and we're going to go to Contacts, and then we want to search for contacts. You can see there's a bunch of different ones in here, and there'll be more and more and more as the system grows. So we're going to click on Craigslist Marketing, so I got rid of one of them. And then it's important that we choose the date, today's date, because obviously when you do this again tomorrow, you're going to click on 8/21/15 so that we don't get some of these same ones. So now we want to go ahead and click Add these clients to Client Touch. Okay, I'll pull up instructions here just so you can follow along. So we selected the Contacts tab, category Craigslist Marketing, and then today's date for the flag. Now we just added the contacts to the Client Touch. Now we want to, sometimes if there's already clients in there, so I'll just do a real quick redo here. So add them to Client Touch. It'll say there's already 5 in there. We want to do a new group. Every time just create a new group. So that's our new group. And then click on the Email Opt-in Wizard. So click this Email Opt-in Wizard. And this is saying that we're not going to spam people. And that's why it's very important we only send them one email. We don't want to send them over and over and over and over again, just one time. And it's okay because they're posting a Craigslist ad saying, hey, I want you to email me if you're interested in my property. And we are. So basically click I understand and agree. And then it's going to give you 3 options here. You absolutely have permissions, you think you have permissions, and you don't have permissions. Because they're posting on Craigslist as a classifieds ad, we do have permissions, so we absolutely have permission. And then it's saying these 5 contacts in your work group are ready to be opt-in to your email system. So go ahead and hit Add to Opt-in List. And now what that allows us to do is click on Email Blast. So from here it's really simple. I already got it set up for you. All you do is go to the Templates and click on Craigslist Marketing Ad. And see, it generates this right here for you. So the subject, Craigslist ad, rental property. Hey, we're interested in your property. We have tenants for you. If you're interested in checking out our services, you can go to our website. Pretty simple. And then you just go ahead and hit Send Blast Now, which I'm not going to do because these ones have already been done. But hit Send Blast Now. It'll go out to them, and then you're all set. And I believe that's it as far as steps here. Yep. Send Email Blast Now button. and that's the last step. So you'd be done from there, and that's how you market for Craigslist ads.